Welcome, my name is Rajan and you are watching the Drywall Guy from the 505. This segment is the basics of painting, 101, part 8. Let's get started.
Well, we're finished cutting with the paintbrush. Now we're going to use the roller. Well, we're going to roll out our lids first. That way if we drop any paint or primer, we're not going to mess up our walls.
If you're enjoying the video, please like and subscribe. And ring the notification bell. Please leave a comment below, it helps the algorithm and lets us know what other video topics you would like to see. Thank you.